Hello, today I'm going to show you how to do the chain stitch. It is abbreviated as CH in both US and UK terminology. So we will begin by making a slip knot. If you do not know how to make a slip knot, please view my video on how to make a slip knot. So you're going to begin with the slip knot. Next, you're going to yarn over. So you're just putting your yarn over your hook. You're turning your hook, so make sure this yarn is captured in this little space here, and then you're going to pull it through your loop. And you can see that I've got a chain stitch and it's got a V shape, and I'll show you a few more. So you yarn over, putting the yarn over the hook, turn your hook, making sure that the yarn is in this little space right here that the hook has. You pull through the loop, and as you see, I've got another V-stitch. And one more time, you're going to put the yarn over your hook, turn your hook, making sure it's in this little space that the hook has, and you're going to pull it through this loop and makes another V-stitch. And there you have it. This is how you make a single crochet.